new watch, new babe.
So what's good, TMG fam? It's your boy L, and I'm back. And I know I haven't been back with no
Here's a keyboard shortcut.
Look, bro, you chill out. You wait a minute. My bad, y'all. The video think you can do what it want to do. Wait a minute. So listen, I know it's been a minute since I've been back with some life hacks, man, to help y'all in your everyday life. I hope the past ones we've checked out so far, you've been able to utilize at least one thing out of the video. If you could take one thing away from the video that'll improve your life, and I did my job, bro. Life hack successful at that point. You know what I'm saying? So the overwhelming support requests and different things like that, man, I'm back with another one. Now I was today years old when I found out about this life hack number 17. Let's go.
Here's a keyboard shortcut I guarantee you didn't know. Here's how to make your essays 10 times better. Anytime you use a commonly used word in your essay, double click on it and hit the Shift and F7 keys. Then find a word that sounds smart, right click on it and hit Insert.
Let me tell you guys a quick tip, okay?
I did not know that. And several times in school, I wanted to sound smarter than I actually was, bro. I could have used that. Maybe it would have, but 9 times out of 10, the teacher would have saw straight through me. Probably still would have not gotten a good grade.
And it's not ghetto. It's creative. One of my favorite sheet masks is the Garnier Skincare Nutribel Milky Tissue Mask, the hyaluronic acid and almond milk one. This is so good.
How did she say all of that in one breath? Look how she read this off.
Creative. One of my favorite sheet masks is the Garnier Skincare Nutribel Milky Tissue Mask, the hyaluronic acid and almond milk one. This is so good. You got dry skin, it's gonna save everything. And I love this, but I don't like using it only one time. So what I did was I squeezed all the serum out of this and put it in a bottle. So now I just use it like a serum. I'm not ghetto. I'm creative.
Stick it in a zip.
When you say you're not ghetto, what does that normally mean? We ghetto.
Block bag and hang it behind your headrest. They can see it and you can reach it.
Why did I think of that? Why?
What?
Watch this video.
Check it out. So all you have to do, any Rolls Royce, walk up to it, turn it, quarter turn, pull, and now you have a $1,500 sphere of ecstasy. Yeah, but don't tell people, don't be stealing.
Yeah, that's a secret.
Target life hack check.
Somebody's about to get robbed, bro. Somebody, how much money is that worth?
Turn, pull, and now you have a $1,500 sphere of ecstasy.
$1,500, bro. I hope they're lying. Because imagine somebody down on their luck needs a meal and they know all they need to do is find a Rolls Royce, which isn't necessarily easy to find unless you know where a Rolls Royce dealership is. But if you do, they just show somebody how to survive.
Yeah, but don't tell people, don't be stealing.
Yeah, that's a secret.
That can't be true.
Target life hack check. So if you go to Target sometimes and you get lucky, you can look underneath where they stock things, and typically there are a lot of really cool old items that people hide under here. Go check it out. Happy finding.
Life hacks for college that no one ever tells you.
What? Oh! People better be going to Target and lifting up all kind of shelves just to see if something... Yo, bro, how do y'all figure this? Somebody at Target who worked there had to say that type of stuff. You're probably gonna go in there and find some dust, dirt, and some old lint and some shoes or something under there, man. You ain't gonna find nothing like that all the time. I venture out to say that at least, bro. If you do, I would be surprised.
Yeah. Part 2. Your school library might have copies of textbooks that you'll need, especially for your gen ed classes, and there's some websites that even have free PDF versions of textbooks. Sorry, go to the job fair even if you're just a freshman. I've been on both sides of these. Those people are there just to talk to people, and their day's a lot more interesting if they are. So just go strike up a conversation with some jobs you might be interested later in the future and make good face-to-face connections with people, get an email, and it could turn into a job later. Make an appointment with your school's therapy office at the beginning of this semester. It could be really helpful later to already be in their system, and the more students that sign up means the more funding they'll bring to it. At your professor's office hours at the beginning of the semester, a lot of people don't take advantage of this, and the face-to-face connection you have with your professor could help you later in the class if you're struggling.
Okay.
I wanted to share with you guys a little life hack I've learned from years of binge drinking. When you get to the point in the night where you're like, oh.
Why she set it up like that? This is what I learned from years of binge drinking. You need some help, sweetie. Listen, bro.
This little life hack I've learned from years of binge drinking. When you get to the point in the night where you're like, oh, I feel like I'm gonna be sick, go and get yourself a blue slushie. It will not prevent you from getting sick, but when you do get sick, it'll be really pretty and blue.
I'm done. I thought she was about to give us some, like, I thought I was gonna be buying, like, blue slushies galore like I buy Pedialyte now. I thought that's what it was gonna be for me. Oh snap, I got a new thing. I get the Pedialyte, a blue slushie, no sickness in the morning. I'm good. But she played us on that one. She straight up played us. I'll stick to my Pedialyte.
So if you're anything like me, you got one of these bottles because of TikTok. But little life hack, just put water in it. Shake it up a little bit. And let me tell you, put it on 9. No calories, no sugar, just vodka, water, so you're also hydrated, and you get whatever taste you want. You're welcome.
Slow down, y'all. Slow down. I hear y'all running to the store right now. All you alcoholics. I hear y'all cranking up the car right now, bro. Slow down. We don't know if that's true, bro. We can't just react. Trust me, it's hard for me to continue to sit in this chair right now without running to the store, trying to figure out what that bottle is and testing out that theory, fam. Are you serious? Who's that? Please, please, please. If enough of y'all type in the comment section that y'all tried this and it's proven, yeah, I'm going to try it. I'm gonna try it. I am gonna try it. How? She just created. Oh my gosh. She just created a ton of alcoholics right now with this. I'm gonna play it again because I gotta hear it again. She just created like a Walking Dead like amount of people running to the store right now to find these bottles, bro. You know how you be seeing the walkers on The Walking Dead swarm to the people, bro? That's what she just created with this.
So if you're anything like me, you got one of these bottles because of TikTok. But
what is it? CIH.
Little life hack. Just put water in it.
What is that bottle? I'm trying to stop it on the name of the bottle.
Shake it up a little bit. And let me tell you, put it on 9. No calories, no sugar, just vodka, water.
It looks like CIRKUL. Circle. Okay. If y'all have this bottle and know what she's talking about, can validate it in any stretch of the like just validate it. Say you tried it. I'm gonna do some more research, bro. If that's true, oh, it is on. It's on.
So you're also hydrated, and you get whatever taste you want. You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Up. Left. Yup, you got it.
I'm friends with the monster.
This is the Eternal Jukebox. How it works is you click pick a song, and for whatever reason, Gangnam Style is the most popular song. So we'll do that. And once it loads, it'll load this little thing. And this is all of the similarities within that song. And what it'll do is it'll loop in between these similarities and it will play the song forever. So you can go and listen to Gangnam Style for as long as you want and nothing will stop you. This was at MIT who are way too smart for me, but...
Okay, I was hoping they ain't played the song.
Whenever I make hot dogs, especially for dinner, instead of wasting the water that I boil the hot dogs in, I'll just use it and make hot tea with it, because you can't even taste the hot dog by the time you add the tea bag and the sugar. You can't even taste the actual like hot dog water.
You're all being ripped off by pharmaceutical companies.
They could have kept that life hack. Hot dog water to make it. No. Yeah, they could have kept that life hack. I'm not doing that one. Yeah, I'll try it. I don't even care what you tell me about that one. I ain't doing it.
Taste the actual like hot dog water.
You're all being ripped off by pharmaceutical companies, and here's how to stop it. Here we have a $4.99 packet of Sudafed Sinex Max Strength, and on the back we have the PL code. Just underneath it is the box of the Boots own brand version of the Sudafed. The PL code on the Boots own brand matches that of the Sudafed. These two tablets are exactly the same, probably made in the same factory.
Something I've been noticing people doing is using this for their lips, when really it's to put into your drink. Put the lid on, and then when you're out and about, you won't lose your straw.
If you're someone who streams movies from questionably legal websites, let me shortcut the process for you. In Google, type in index of, followed by the movie name. Index of returns a website's file directory. Click a search result that has index of in the name with a MKV or MP4 in the description. This one's a good example. MP4s can be watched in the browser, whilst MKVs have to be downloaded first.
Was that illegal? I'm not telling y'all to do that at all. Okay? Next one. They can chill with the music a little bit. What is that? That don't look good to me. That don't look good to me at all. I'm gonna keep it moving. If y'all liked that, then to each his own. But that didn't look good to me. Dollar Tree hack. Okay. What is? Y'all are crazy. What did he do? Ivy League note taking. My grandma just asked me if I had a boyfriend, and I was like, no. And she was like, well, I went to a random funeral because I was bored. And that's how I met your grandfather. Dating life hack? Wow. Who goes to a random funeral? I hate going to funerals, bro. I am not the funeral person. No. You got to be extremely close to me. And you just show up at a random funeral, bruh? Trying out trends I don't like, part 3, nose couture. This is for the ladies, fellas. I don't know nothing about this. I just think she looks like psycho. That entire video, I just kept saying, why does she just look psycho to me? She just looks psycho. Doing your makeup in a video screen just makes certain women look psycho to me. I don't know what it is about it, bro. But only thing was screaming in my ear was, yo, this psycho will kill you. This psycho will kill you. Maybe it's all the videos that we watch is getting to me, man. But I just say psycho. This psycho will kill you. Stay away from that psycho. I ain't get that last one. That last one looked like manual labor, so I don't like it. The idea for me of a life hack is to not have to do a lot of manual labor. It's bypassing that. That's what a life hack to me is, helping me work smarter, not harder, bro. Right there looks like it was gonna be a lot of hard work, because what I saw was that floor had a ton of those grooves everywhere. I just saw lots of work that I didn't want to do. Simple. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, hopefully one of these, I know which one everybody's going to be trying to figure out. They're going to be down a YouTube rabbit hole. Is that drink bottle, circle, or whatever, how you ever pronounce that name, where she poured the vodka in the bottle with the water and filtered out all the bad stuff. I want to know about that if y'all do. Like I said, she might have just created a ton of alcoholics right there, man. And when we're all in like AA meetings down the line, further down the line, when we're in AA, right, we know where we can pin back to where it started for us. And it was that video. That video started it. You know what I mean? So y'all get at me in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think, man. I was today years old when I found out about this life hack. It's your boy L, man. Y'all get at me in the comment section. And stick around and stay tuned to the next reaction. I'm gone. Peace.